In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list a tour using the WP Travel Engine plugin on WordPress. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of entering all the necessary details to create a comprehensive tour listing. Before we dive in, make sure you've already installed the WP Travel Engine plugin and have access to the WordPress dashboard. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for managing your website and where we'll start the process of adding a new tour. After you've logged in, navigate over to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see the WP Travel Engine option. Hover over it, and from the menu that appears, click on Trips, and then select Add New. This will bring you to the tour creation page. The next step in building your tour is to input a descriptive and engaging title. For example, if you're offering a trip to Bali, a title like Bali Adventure Tour can be both inviting and descriptive. Make sure to choose a title that will grab the attention of potential travelers. Once the title is in place, you'll want to fill in all the essential tour details. This includes the description or overview section, where you can lay out what makes the tour special and what participants can expect. Be sure to highlight the unique aspects and key highlights of your tour. Now it's time to define the type of tour you're offering. Whether it's an adventure, family, or leisure trip, selecting the correct category helps potential customers easily find the type of experience they're seeking. Alongside the tour type, select the destination. This could be a specific city, region, or country where the tour takes place. Moving on, you'll want to detail the duration or itinerary of the tour. Clearly outline the schedule and any significant activities or sites that travelers will experience. This helps set proper expectations and allows travelers to plan accordingly. Price is another crucial factor. When you click on the price section, add the cost details, including any taxes or additional fees. Transparency here builds trust with your customers. Next, let's add some appealing visuals to your listing. In the gallery or tour images section, upload high-quality images related to your tour. Beautiful visuals can capture potential travelers' imagination and increase the chances of bookings. Booking options are the next focus. Determine the maximum number of travelers per trip to ensure a comfortable experience for your group. Then specify the available booking dates, providing clarity on when the tour is offered. Also, ensure that you've set up the payment method section so customers can easily pay for their bookings. If applicable, assign categories or tags to your tour for better organization and increased discoverability on your site. Finally, once everything looks good and you've verified all the details, click Publish to make your tour live on your website. That's it. You've successfully listed a tour using the WP Travel Engine. By following these steps, you ensure that your prospective travelers have all the information they need to confidently book your tour. Happy travels and see you next time. And